Recently, chill, garden-style Reels pages have been going extremely viral, with some videos reaching hundreds of thousands, even millions of views. So how can you create videos like this with AI, even if you do not know how to shoot, edit, or write prompts? Today, I'm going to show you how to create videos to build a Reels page in the chill garden niche using Chill Garden ASMR PromptAuto. First, go to PromptAuto.com. Then search for Chill Garden ASMR PromptAuto. Next, copy the chatbot link and paste it into the chat box to open the chatbot. Once you enter the chatbot interface, click Start. After that, the chatbot will give you several suggested topics. You can choose one of the suggested topics, or you can enter your own topic. For example, a relaxing vegetable garden, a healing garden, slow living in nature, peaceful gardening, a quiet backyard corner, or any topic that matches the chill garden style. After you send your topic, the chatbot will automatically create 2 image prompts and 2 video prompts based on that topic. Now, copy image prompt number 1. Then open VO3, paste the prompt, switch to image generation mode, choose a 9:16 aspect ratio, and click Generate. Wait for a moment, and AI will create the first image for you. When the first image is ready, go back to the chatbot, copy image prompt number 2, paste it into VO3, and use the first image as the reference image. Then click Generate. This helps the second image stay more consistent with the style of the first image. After both images are created, go back to the chatbot and copy video prompt number 1. Next, paste that prompt into VO3, choose video generation mode, select the Omni model, use the image to video option, and click Generate. Wait for a moment, and you will receive the first video. Then go back to the chatbot, copy video prompt number 2, paste it into VO3, replace the reference image with the second image, and click Generate. After the second video is created, simply download all the videos to your device. The final step is to import the videos into CapCut or any editing software you usually use. Add relaxing music, add text if needed, and then post them to your Reels page. With just a few simple steps, you can create chill garden-style videos to build a monetized Reels page. Before, you had to come up with ideas, write prompts, create each image, and generate each video manually. But now, the chatbot supports almost the entire process for you. You do not need to know how to write prompts. You do not need to know how to create beautiful images. You do not need to plan every single scene by yourself. And you do not need to shoot real videos. Let AI handle the rest. This helps you create more videos, post content more consistently, grow your page faster, and increase your chances of monetizing with Reels content. If you want to build a chill garden-style Reels page with AI, Chill Garden ASMR PromptAuto is definitely worth trying.